Hello dear friends, subscribers and guests of my channel. In this video I want to show and tell you how to silence text notifications for one person on a phone. Please put your like, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Let's get started. So first we need to go to messages. And here you need to find this contact which you want mute. And after that click and swipe to left. And here you can click on mute button. And that's all. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please put your like, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Bye bye everyone. See you later.